Hey, welcome back. So today, getting the tires changed on my Sunny, and yeah. So what tire I'm putting? Currently running on the Goodyear tires. Okay, you might have seen this look where I had custom made the stripes. तो अभी हम लोग टायर बदलने वाले हैं. All 4 tires. There's a GS series coming in. Nice. So all 4 tires are gone. They are flat. Okay, I'll show you the front one. They are completely done. It's past the limit, as you can see. The limit is almost matching with the tire. So yeah, what I had firstly thought, my Stepney tire was brand new. Okay, it was running on the MRF tires. I'll show you, which is over here. Okay, it's completely brand new if you see, but this tire is of 2016 over here. Okay, so it's hard. So now even we'll be changing that. What my plan was to buy only 3 tires and put that one to the rear. अभी हम लोग वो नहीं करने वाले क्योंकि that tire is hard, so you have no other option to put all 4 tires. So yeah, now stay tuned. I'll show you which tire we are putting. I'm putting on a budget one because running is very low of my Sunny. So because of that, we're putting a budget value for money tire. If you ask me about the size, mine is the CVT XL variant. So this one came with 185/70 R14s. And the top variant, which was XV, it came with alloys, which was 185/65 15s. So I was searching for alloys, I didn't get. Okay, the ones which I got, they were either in bad conditions, which needed repainting and everything, and the other ones which were there, they were very expensive. Okay, not worth buying that much. So even yesterday I had traveled to Mapsa for searching that, and I did find one, but then those tires were even older than my Stepney tire. Few of them were around 2019. So I thought, let's not. And he even showed me second-hand tires which were very less used. Okay, so he costed me around 12,000, but then newer is better than second-hand, right? So because of which I'm getting the newer ones in the similar budget. So I will show you later which tire and how much did they cost. So yeah, till then, let our guy pick up the car on the check, and then we'll see few shots. So our new tires are come here. If you can read the name. Okay. Yes. वैसे भी मैं details बोलने वाला हूँ later on when we put the tires. So these are our brand new tires. Wow! Beautiful! So looking at the grip, they are good. So yeah, देखते हैं अभी how the ride will feel. Okay, after the new tires. I'm going with the stock tire size only because you don't get. I was thinking of going for 195 if it is available, or 205. But then, as I said, running ज़्यादा नहीं है, so I didn't want to spend much. And mainly my goal was to get it to the body line. But since rather you said yes, so it's fine. Ride quality has to be good rather than the fitment, I feel. Okay, so let's see. Our monster truck is in the air. क्या बोला तूने? So yeah, I might have seen this video where we painted the drums red and mainly the calipers red. Here they are covered in dirt now. I might get it clean later on at home. So yep, this is how the wheel well looks like in the front, and this is how it looks at the rear. Okay, there's the fuel tank. Okay, so the paint quality is really good, which I had painted at home. It turned out to be really good. Perfect.
अपनी तारीफ खुद करो, बुराई करने को तो दुनिया बैठी है.
So I show you from the other side. It looks the same. Now what we're going to do is, this tire we're keeping as the stepney tire, because this was in a better condition compared to the other ones. And as I mentioned, the stepney tire, it has been very old, 9-year-old tire, because of which we aren't using that and we are throwing that away. One tire has been done. This is the other one, which is removing the old tire. Okay, so that's how the tires are removed. One tire is ready over here. I don't know about you all, but to me it is looking very weird. Okay, because I am been used to see my strapped tires.
I don't like this.
Now this one's gonna be different. Okay, so it will take some few days for me to get used to this. And now the look of my cars with the stripes, how it used to be, it looked sporty, sort of. Okay, so on the move it was looking very good. Okay, I'll add a clip over here to show you how it looks on the rolling side. Okay,
Oh my God! Wow!
okay, this one, this white stripes, ये तो मैंने पेंट किया था. उससे पहले मैंने क्या किया था कि अपना ये जो गुडियर का ये है ना वो लेटरिंग, उसमें मैंने पेंट मार्कर से भर दिया था. यू हैव सीन दैट वीडियो एज वेल. बट दिस टाइम आई विल डू समथिंग एल्स. ओके, let's see what we can do. I might get the rubber ka tire stickers only and get it pasted on it. So dekhte hain. Now these tires are looking weird to me because my rims are also dirty. Okay, so if you can see, this one is dirty. Okay, this is the tire or the rim which I have been using, and look at this stepney. It's completely like black, so I have to get them repainted as well. Let's see. Tires are ready. Okay, he is getting the air filled. So for now, then we'll replace it with nitrogen. Okay, because yeah, you have to use nitrogen. I guess he's inflated nitrogen only, and now he's taken that for the balancing of the wheel. So he is mounting the tire over there, so I won't go inside and disturb them. But yeah, now I will attach the tire details also. Like for example, for those who don't know, okay, this is the tire size. 185 is basically this width, 70 is the wall height, and R14 means it's a 14-inch rim. Okay, and then we have two other numbers as well, which is, for here it says 88H. Now this 88H, I'll attach the screenshot of the chart. Now what this H means, okay. So currently these the stock tires, okay, they were 88H and my stepney was 88S, and the tires which I'm getting installed now have 88T. What does those alphabets mean? Now 185, 70 R14s, I told you. What about that 88HTS mean? So I'll attach a chart. Okay, that H means these tires are rated to go at a max speed of 210 kilometers per hour. Okay, so the four tires are H. So max speed which these tires are meant to go is 210 kilometers per hour. The S means, okay, it is 180 kilometers per hour, which was my stepney tire, and the new tires are rated as 88T. Okay, they that T means you can go, or these tires can handle a max speed of 190 kilometers per hour. So don't reach or test those speed. Okay, these are tested by the manufacturers. You don't have to test it manually on the road. So drive safely, drive responsibly.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है. अच्छा
Okay. So all four tires have been installed. मेरे को बहुत weird लग रहा है गाड़ी. It looks, I don't know what. Okay, it looks sort of weird. I don't know if it is you all are able to sense that, but I am able to sense it completely. It's looking weird. Maybe it's looking weird because the stripes are gone. Okay, at in some angle it is looking fine. Okay, abhi dekho, now this tire is clean. The rim is clean, because of which it looks perfect. Okay, but those all the rest 3 rims are dirty. Balancing, alignment, everything is done. So yeah, the car is ready now. The invoicing is getting done. So as you can see, the boys have completed the work. And just to show the side look, this is how the car is looking now. Yeah, I have to clean and probably get them painted. Finally, new tires. So now I'll show you which tires have I installed. I'll show you the cleaner tire. Okay, it's a brand called Kelly, which is a value for money brand. It's an Indian brand. So tire thread and everything is really good. Okay, if you can see, and it's the model is VFM1. So if we put in our language, it's value for money. Okay, so tire size, everything is good. I was searching for 195 and I didn't get, so it's fine. How the new tires look. I need to get the rims done, something. So we'll get that. So bill, I will show you. So I'm leaving now. Okay, so the final verdict. How much did it cost? So this is the bill. As you can see, installed Kelly tires. This is the section and the model. Each tire cost me around 3,800. So the 15,200 for that, and 4 valves. So 400. So total came up to 15,600. So yeah. Now let's see. I will test this brand new set of tires, and so till then, hope you all like this video. Hope it was informative, and I will test this now tires, and so follow for such content. Hope you all like this video, and make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well to stay notified. Till then, see you in the next one. Drive safe, drive responsibly.